other girl just like me. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We're here in Chicago. We just flew in this morning, and yeah, we're gonna be here for the weekend, and I thought I'd take you along here on the vlogs. We have some exciting things planned, including seeing my cousin. So yeah, we're about to go walk around the Magnificent Mile in downtown, so take you guys. This is the outfit. I'm wearing my big sweater, a black skirt, and my booties, and then I have a trench coat. Cute. We are currently soaking, drying off in the hotel. 1 hour later, we are back and dressed. We are gonna go to dinner with my cousin Gio, so I don't know how much we're gonna talk to you, but we will show you where we end up going. Yeah, we're still a little wet. So the plan for tonight is that we're gonna go to this place called The Second Story, I believe, get a little drink at a gay bar, and then actually go see a movie at AMC because we have passes and we want to see everything everywhere all at once really bad. So we're gonna go do that. Here is the outfit. I love the hair with my loafers. Cute. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is Saturday. It is going to be really sunny out today, so I think what we're going to do is first take a walk along the lake, which I'm going to take you guys right now, and then after that, thrifting. So let's get going. We are off to go thrifting. If you want to see that, check out next week. That's going to be its own separate video. This is my outfit to go thrifting. My crop top, jeans, boots, or loafers. But I'll see you guys later when we go up to Lincoln Park to go to my cousin's drag show and dinner. You know the drill. Several song-filled hours later, time to go out and go to my cousin's drag show. I'm just wearing my black halter with my black skirt and booties. So yeah, let's go.
Rainbow sidewalk. Are we Leo?
Hey guys, I woke up like 10 minutes ago. Shirley's woke me up from a dead of sleep, and we're late for our boat ride. At least the meeting time. The boat ride's not till 10, but we're late for the meeting time because literally, remember those drinks we had? Yeah, those fucking edible drinks. and my phone died. And my alarm was set on my phone for this morning. Anyway, we're gonna make it. Yeah. We made it. Why is it blurry? Okay, so we just checked out of the hotel and now we're gonna go get deep dish pizza with my cousin. Our flight isn't until really like late, so we have some time. We're gonna go get food obviously and then maybe shop around. We just finished lunch and now we're gonna go do some souvenir shopping.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.